truck cases are different than just your regular automobile accident in a couple of different ways. As I mentioned, the federal regulations are one. Your typical person driving down the road, you don't have those same regulations. You're not required to keep logs. The other thing is just ordinary people driving down the road, we're not under the same pressures that those truck drivers are. Those truck drivers, they're putting incredible pressure on them to drive and get that product from point A to point B. Your typical person that has a car accident, they don't have those kinds of issues. Now, they have other issues. We've had a lot of car accidents where people were drinking or high on some substance, and you've got to thoroughly investigate those. And each accident is a little bit different from every other accident. But those trucking cases, you've really got to do what's called discovery. You've got to dig into that, because in just a normal car accident, say John Smith, that guy's not employed by a trucking company. But in a trucking case, these truck drivers will do it however their bosses want them to do it. If they truly put safety first, they'd get what they wanted. Our experience is that's not what they want. They really are just trying to make money, and they're putting the public at risk every day. Every one of us have seen these trucks barrel past us on the highway, 20 or 30 miles above the speed limit. A lot of those guys are taking stimulants. I had a trucking case where clearly the truck hit the back of a vehicle and killed a little grandmother. And the truck driver said, that little lady pulled right in front of me and I couldn't stop in time and I hit her. It was her fault. I took his deposition and he folded like a cheap suit. That's not what happened at all. He fell asleep and he rear-ended her. He called on his cell phone and got the safety director back home, and that guy told him to lie. And he did. He lied under oath, made the whole thing up. But under cross-examination, he folded, started crying, and admitted they told him to lie about it. And that little lady was killed for no reason. That case settled for the insurance policy limits, by the way, after that deposition.